welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Guys, today I'll be making oven roast chicken. So I have my chicken here. I already clean it and wash it with some lemon juice. You can use vinegar if you like, but I just love to use lemon juice. Okay, so I have all my seasoning. I'm gonna add them. You can use whatever season you like, but this is what I like. Okay, so first I'm gonna add some onion powder, like 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm still gonna use a little onion on my chicken as well. And I have some Mrs. Dash here. I'm gonna add a little of that. Also, I'm gonna add some seasoned salt, not a lot, just a little. And I have some Maggi seasoned with ginger. I'm gonna add a little of that as well. I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna add some garlic powder with parsley inside. I love this one so much. I'm gonna add a little ginger powder, not a lot. Perfect. And I'm gonna add a little paprika inside. I'm gonna add some Maggi chicken season as well, and just a little black pepper. I'm just gonna mix that around, mix everything together. You can use whatever seasoning you want on your chicken. And this have to be what I use. If you want, you can go ahead and use what I use because it makes the chicken taste really good. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil in. Perfect. And I'm gonna just mix it around. The season smells so good. Look at that. So now we have our season ready. We're just gonna put all of the season on top of this chicken. Like that. Look at that. Put everything in. Very nice. So now I'm going to use my hands to massage the seasoning. You want to make sure it gets everywhere on the chicken. Lovely. Well seasoned and get everywhere. There you have it, guys, all done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wrap it, put some cling wrap over it, and I'll leave this to marinate overnight. I love to leave my meat overnight before I prepare it. Wonderful. All done. Lovely. So it's all done, guys. So I'm just gonna add my onion, my thyme, and my scallion. So this is my way of doing it. I like to massage it in with all the seasoning and then add my other seasoning and just rub it on top. So I'm just going to go in with my onion. Just put it all over. And I have my scallion. Put it all over. And then I have my fresh thyme. Put it all over. Yeah. And just give it another light little massage on it. Like that. Lovely. So I'm just gonna cover it now and leave it to marinate for overnight. I love to put my chicken down for overnight. Any meat that I'm doing for overnight. So I'm just gonna wrap it like that. I'm just gonna cut that excess off. So there you have it, guys, all prepared, and it smells so good. I know I said that a lot, but it really does. All right, so this is our chicken. We left from overnight for marinate, so we're ready to prepare it now. Yeah, always remember to wash your hand them. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, so we're gonna remove the wrap. This smells good. Let me get the scissors. Just cut it off. So we're ready. The oven roast chicken. So we have a baking pan over there, so we're not going to put no oil in there because the chicken is already seasoned with the olive oil. So we're going to do, we're going to remove, use your hand and take off them seasoning there. Yep, natural season, just use your hand and remove all of that. Wow, this smells good. So I'm going to place it in the pan. And we'll do that with all of them. Look at that. I'm wishing I could have smelled this. Yeah, you. Good. That one was well in there. I'll put the other one by itself and another tin, a smaller one. So I'm gonna get another baking tin. If you just put the one there, because 3 wasn't like that. I don't want them too close, so I couldn't put 4. So now I'm gonna add the rest of seasoning on top of that. Like so. Smell good. Then we add some seasoning over here. So okay, so I put my oven pan 350 and leave it for 50 minutes. I want everything in it. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash away. So people, this is my way of make my roast chicken. Me normally do, add some salted margarine, put it on it like so. I'm gonna say you can do it your way, you don't have to do it my way, but if you want, you're more than welcome to try my way, because it have a buzz. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna turn on my oven now. We're at 350. Let's start that. Preheat it. people. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Butter pan it to get a little extra flavor in. Yep. I'm gonna put it in the oven now. Nice. And now the other one, add that down a bottom. So I'm gonna let that in now and make that go on with itself. I'm gonna set the timer now for 50 minutes. Okay guys, all done. Lovely, juicy. Okay guys, that's the finishing touch. It's lovely. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.